Okay, good day everyone, no? So in this today we will discuss the integral of the power of tangent, cotangent, secant, and cosecant. So in particular in case 2, so we will solve the integral of tangent, the power of n, and integral of cotangent to the power of n. Pero bago yun, no? So first, meron muna tayong mga formula na kakailanganin natin para sa case na ito. So we have the integral of tangent of x and integral of cotangent of x, integral of tangent squared of x, and integral of cotangent squared of x given by the following. Okay? So, ibig sabihin nun, yung case 2 is already solved for n is equal to 1 and 2. For n is equal to 3, 4, 5, and so on and so forth. So here are the procedures, no, in able to solve, no, the integral of power of tangent and cotangent where n is greater than or equal to 3. So the first step is split the tangent squared or cotangent squared, no? So if the problem is tangent to the power of n, we will split the tangent squared. And if the problem is for the cotangent to the power of n, we will split the cotangent squared. And kung ano yung in-split natin, for instance, tangent squared or cotangent squared, papalitan natin siya ng secant squared minus 1. We will use the identity that tangent squared x is equal to secant squared minus 1. Or for the case of cotangent squared, we will use cotangent squared x is equal to cosecant squared minus 1. And then after that, we will simplify the integral. And then we will let u be equal to tangent of x for the case that our problem is tangent to the power of n. Or we will let u be equal to cotangent of x for the case that the problem is cotangent to the power of n. And then solve the integral by using u substitution. Okay? To be more precise, we will have an example. For example, we want to solve the integral of tangent cube of x dx. So, according to our process, we will split, no, the tangent squared. So, tangent cube will become split the tangent squared. So, tangent cube will become integral of tangent x tangent squared. And then kung ano yung in-split natin, which is si tangent squared, papalitan mo siya ng secant squared x minus 1, yung identity natin. Okay? Yan na siya. And then just simplify, no? Distribute mo lang yung tangent x doon sa product, no? So this will become integral of tangent x secant squared x dx minus integral of tangent x dx. So yung first integral, yung first term natin, we will use the u substitution by letting u be equal to tangent x. However, the second one can be solved using our formula that the integral of tangent x is ln of secant of x, ln of absolute value of secant of x. So therefore, we let u be equal to tangent of x. This gives du be equal to secant squared x dx. So the problem now will become integral of u du minus integral of tangent x dx. However, the integral of u du is u squared over 2, and the integral of tangent x dx is ln of absolute value of secant of x. So therefore, by replacing u to be equal to tangent x, then the final answer is tangent squared x over 2 minus ln of absolute value of secant of x plus c. So I hope that this example is clear.